Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. You must have heard the famous phrase, spice it up. Spicing things up makes it more interesting and exciting. It could be food, drink, or anything in life. Today, I'm going to spice up red wine. Yes, I'm going to make mulled wine today. It's Christmas time and there is no better time to make this exotic drink. Keep watching and I'm sure you will love this video. Today I'm going to make the mulled wine using 2 bottles of red wine. So a good quality red wine should do the job. It doesn't have to be super expensive. There are different recipes available. The most commonly used one is pouring the wine onto the pan, putting in all the spices and the citrus fruits and bringing it to a boil and serving it. But there is another way of doing it which is a little bit more complex but it is more exotic. I'm going to follow the second method because it's Christmas after all. Come on, let's jump in. So onto a pan, I've got a cup of castor sugar. Roughly, there's 200 grams in that. So that goes into the pan. And I've got zest of a lemon, a lime and an orange. So I'm going to put them onto the castor sugar. That goes in. To that, I'm going to add half a bottle of red wine. Okay, that goes in. Then I've got a cinnamon stick. That goes in there. I've got about 10 cloves, 5 cloves per bottle of red wine. So I'm going to add that. And I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime and 1 lemon. Then I'll slice the orange into slices. So I'm going to add them onto the sugar mixture. I'm going to give it a stir now. Now I've got a pot of vanilla split into 2. So I'm going to put that onto the mixture and then now I'm going to bring it to a boil and make us a thick syrup. And then at that stage, I'm going to add the remaining wine, bring it to boil, and then it's ready to serve. I'm going to gently stir them. So this is coming to a boil now. I could hear the sizzle and the sugar is completely melted now. So at this stage, I'm going to add the remaining red wine. Leave it for another 5 minutes at low heat and bring it to boil and then switch it off and serve. It's exactly 5 minutes now. The mulled wine is ready, so it's time to serve. And I'm adding a star anise seed for garnish. Here we go. We got a very aromatic and exotic mulled wine. Make this for Christmas and treat your friends and family. It's recording, so I can edit that later. Cheers. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Cheers.